What is going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts, back with another video on the cash out on this site Upside that I'm using. If you're not familiar with it, if you're not signed up, definitely sign up for it today. The link to it will be in the description, and also there's a bonus code in there. If you use that bonus code when signing up, you'll actually get an extra 15 cents off your first purchase of gas. Now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make money with this app. First and foremost, you see here I have $47.96 in my account, which I'm about to cash out right now. But real quick, I'm gonna show you how it works. It'll show you the gas stations and restaurants that are nearest to you that you can get cash back. Now for me personally, right here, I'm close to this Shell gas station. The gas really there is $2.09, but with this offer it makes it $1.95 because I get 14 cents off each gallon. So basically, let's say I go there and I get 10 gallons of gas, I'll get $1.40 cash back. You know what I'm saying? If I go to this gas station, this Shell gas station, if I get 10 gallons of gas, I'll get I'll get $1.50 back, because it's 15 cents off of this gas station. If I go to this gas station, I get 20 cents off each gallon. It's really $1.83, which is already cheap, but now it makes it $1.63. That's probably the best offer because you look, these are 14, 15. It's already $1.83 at this gas station. I'm getting 20 cents off. I'm making it $1.63, so it'll make it very, very cheap to get gas. I mean, it's going to get to the point where now you can fill up your car for like $5. I mean, it's just that simple. But let's see here. I go here. I get 10 gallons worth of gas. That's $2 right in my account. Very, very simple to do. If I go to this Burger King, I will get 10% off cash back, and this Wendy's 25% off cash back. Now the thing is, it all depends on where you're at. You know what I'm saying? Where your location. It'll show you the gas stations and the restaurants that are closest to you. It varies from different place to place, but it doesn't matter where you at. There are offers everywhere. All right, so I'm gonna real quick show you my history, just show you how much I've made just in, this month and the previous months. Right now it's March, and you see here I made $16.17, which is really not a lot because I kind of been slipping on it lately. You see here just some of the ones that I've made. When it says issues found, it's because I actually had another offer that I was using. You really can't combine promotions or offers, so basically what they'll do is they'll credit me for some of it, but not all of it. That's the issue that they found. But you see here, $1.67, $2.72, $6.94. I mean, it adds up real quick. I went to Popeye's Chicken, I got $1.77. You see here, February, I made $47.13. Again, just getting gas. I mean, I got 14 cents, 21 cents, not a lot, but you see here, $2.35. Again, those issues found because I combined offers, but they still give me something. $6.49, $2.69, $3.85, 50 cents, 13 cents. I mean, it really does add up. And you see here, I go to a lot of Valeros because in my area particularly, they have the highest cash back, so I always go there and get gas. You see here, I had 2 in 1 days because I just continue to find offers and I continue to use them. I mean, it's not like I need all the gas, but I mean, it's just for me. I mean, I'm keeping my tank full and I'm getting gas at the same time, so that's why I have it like that. Just going back to January, I made $37.59 again, $8.50. You know what I'm saying? I get a lot of promotions and offers from Valero, so that's why I always go to them. And then just gas stations in general. You know what I'm saying? So you see here, I'm making a lot of money with it. Very, very simple to use. Like I said, all you got to do is just basically take a picture of your receipt when you get the gas. If you're at the pump, when they ask for a receipt, always say yes. If it doesn't print out, you can definitely go in the gas station, ask for a receipt for whatever pump you're at, and get the receipt. Take a picture of it, and it takes probably like a couple hours for it actually to credit into your account. But it's very, very simple, and just doing that over and over is what allowed me to make $47.96 for this particular cash out. I've made lots of videos on this app. This is just another cash out, and I'm just continuing to make money doing simple things like getting gas. Very easy to do. So let me go here, cash out, $47.96. You'll see all the different things that they have you to cash out on. There are lots of different restaurants. They have Amazon, they have movie theaters, all things you can do. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can actually get PayPal or you can actually get a check. I just want the PayPal, so you'll see here, cash out $47.96. I'll go down to continue. It'll send it directly to my email, and I just click submit, and it's just that simple. And it says it'll be there within 12 to 24 hours, so it won't take that long. Very simple to do. All you gotta do is go get gas, go eat out like you usually do, and you'll get cash back for doing these things. And it does add up very fast, as you saw in the history of my account. So sign up for it today. The link is in the description, and use my bonus code. You get 15 cents off each gallon extra on your first purchase. So you saw I had like something like 14 cents and 15 cents. That's an extra 15 cents to it. So you'll basically be getting 30 cents off each gallon depending on where your gas station is. So definitely sign up. It is very easy money. You can cash out in this site, numerous times. There's no fees anymore. Very cool app to use. So I highly recommend you guys get started with it with all the information that's in the link in the description. If you're new to my channel, I want you to subscribe. That way you can always, get new videos and updates and cash out tutorials, from me, just showing you guys how easy it is to make money from home. Very simple to do. All right. So that's all for this video. And always remember, every penny counts.